Everyone, welcome back to my channel Coding with Ravi Gupta, and today we are going to do Leetcode daily question, which is for today is 3075 maximize happiness of selected children. So what the thing is, you will be given an array of happiness with having certain elements, and a k value will be given. You have to find the till up to k value, k number of times you have to find the maximum value with the condition. And what is the condition? Let's understand. So if let's say an array is given which is 4 3 5 1, you have to initialize an answer, then you have to find the maximum value first. So what is maximum? Maximum is 5. Answer will become 5 first, then you have to add in that. But as you choose one value, all other value will be decremented by 1. So 4 will become 3, 3 will become 2, 1 will become 0. Now the maximum value is 3, you will add 3 in 5. A k will be given, let's say here k is 3, so k is equals to 0 here, k was 0 here, then k was 1, one time it is done. Then k is 2, so you will choose 3. Now 3 is not there, 2 will become 1, and you have to choose only positive value, so 0 1 not change. Now as k is 3, for k is equals to 3, you choose 1. The final answer is 5 3 1, 5 plus 3 plus 1, so that is 9. Let's take up more example. So if the array is 1 1 1 1 and k is given 3 again, or let's say 2, whatever it is, what you will do, you will add 1 in this. So for k is equals to 1, k 1 1 is added, all other value will become 0. Now for k equals to 2 also and k equals to 3 also, you can't add negative numbers, so plus 0, basically the answer will be 1. Let's take one more example, which is whatever, let's say 3 7 0 and 1. What is the maximum value initially? K is given 2 only. It is given in the question that k will be less than the size of the array. So it is given in the question. So let's say answer will be 7 first. So answer will be 7 first. 7 will go on, then 3 will become 2, 0 will remain 0, and 1 will become 0. Now for k equals to 2, 2 will be added to, so it is given and rest will not be there. So this was a very simple question. What you have to do, just how to you will find the maximum value in these questions. So the easiest way is you will have the array sorted. So from that sorted array, just add in the answer variable. Add in answer variable by including the decrement. So this is through 2 3 lines code. Let's see the uh, how we can do this. So what we did here, we sorted it in decreasing order. I discussed this method yesterday also, that this is the simple way and it will sort in an increasing order. Using this we can sort it in decreasing order. Then we initiated a loop and we keep adding in the answer the happiness, the current element maximum minus turn. So what is this minus turn is doing? We initiated it as 0. For initially it will decrease 0, like from the maximum value 5 we have to decrease nothing. So if the array is 4 3 5 1, so for 5 you have to decrease nothing. For 4 you have to decrease 1 as it is the second largest element. Then from 3 you have to decrease 2. So this one it will go on, and then comma 0 is not value can't be negative. So if 1 is decremented many times after like one decrement, 4 will become 3, 3 will become 2, 1 will become 0. So 0 won't be decreased now further. Maximum element 0 will be taken if the value is negative. So and you will increment the turn. So this is the basic way. Let's run this in the lead code. So this is the same code that we have written, which I showed you the image, we sorted it. We we sorted the array and just put the answer in the answer variable. So let's run it. And yeah, all the cases are accepted. Let's submit this. And we saw that the answer is accepted. So all the test cases are accepted and it took 147 milliseconds. We can see the time complexity and space complexity also of the code. So which is, it is, as we are sorting, it is due to sorting the time complexity is n log n, and we haven't used any extra space, so space complexity is O of 1. So thank you so much, and subscribe my channel if you find it useful.